Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am making these homemade breadcrumbs using some out-of-date bread that I currently had. And yeah, so instead of just throwing the loaf of bread away or waiting until it was moldy, I decided to go ahead and bake it off and use it as future breadcrumbs. And this is what they look like. I'm really happy with it, and I definitely will start doing this more often. Here is the bread. It said it expired on January 6th, and when I was recording this or making the breadcrumbs, it was the 11th. But I did check the bread out, and there was no mold or anything, so yeah, I didn't want to just throw it away, but I knew I wasn't planning on using it anytime soon. So, and yeah, can't go wrong with breadcrumbs. I love making meatloaf. I hadn't made it in a while, so I might make some soon. I don't know yet, but it will keep. I heard this is my first time doing this, but I heard it'd keep for a month, but I don't see why it wouldn't keep for longer if you make breadcrumbs out of it. But like you see here, I'm just putting it, like cutting it into smaller pieces so it will go into the food processor. Ain't that a food processor? Is that what you call this thing? I don't know, whatever. I think it's the food processor. This is one I got from my mom. This thing is probably as old as I am. I have no idea how old it is. I don't know if you can get, I'm pretty sure you can't get this particular one anymore. So probably can't link it or anything. I should check it out. I don't know. But anyways, I'm just going to kind of blend it, and I counted to 10 in my head. So it was probably about 7 seconds or more. But I did it to this consistency that you see here. And I am going to put it on a clean baking sheet. I will leave the link to this big baking sheet down below. This is my second pan I bought. It takes up the whole space of my oven. This sheet pan does. So it's like really big, but I'll link it down below if you're interested, because I love this. It's perfect to fit in my oven. And yeah, that's all of the breadcrumbs all chopped up and stuff in the food processor, and I have it at 350, and I'm going to first put it in there for 15 minutes, because if you don't do as much as me, or if you was to separate this where it wouldn't be as, much on top of each other, it probably could be ready in 15 minutes. As you can tell, it has browned off a little bit, but you'll be able to tell in a second when I'm trying to spoon it. It still has a lot of moisture, so I am going to put it in for 15 more minutes in a little bit. So it could be done from 15 minutes all the way up to 30 minutes, but it took me 30 minutes today. But yeah, you can just check it after 15 minutes when you do yours, because all ovens cook differently, and you might be doing less, or you might have it not as, stacked up as I did, so it might cook faster in yours. But yeah, anywhere from 15 minutes to 30 minutes to make these breadcrumbs. So you just see me chopping it up with my spoon, and since I don't have anything to hold my camera, I mean, I do, but I don't want to bring it out. So I just one-hand it, and then off camera, I kind of used both hands to like shift it around and stuff with my hands. But yeah, I'm about to put it back in the oven for 15 more minutes. All right, it's been 15 more minutes, so a total of 30 minutes, and this is what it looks like. It is almost to burning. But I love this because it makes me know that it's dehydrated and it shouldn't, mold or anything when I put it away on my shelf, because I'm gonna keep it like store-bought breadcrumbs, just in my pantry, in a glass jar. So, but yeah, as you can see, this is the consistency of it, this is the color of it, and I really like it after 30 minutes in the oven at 350. All right, now I am going to just put it in a glass jar, and this is a 24-ounce jar. That's like 4 cups. I believe I'm doing that math right. I don't know, maybe not. But anyways, I'm just going to fill this up, and it does make about 2 jars full. I pack it all the way up to the very top. Alright, this is the end result. Like I said, it had filled up 2 of the 24-ounce glass jars. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies on my next video. Bye!